performance racing industry, 2010 is well underway, and I'm with a company that's been around since 1969. I'm talking about Lunati, and I'm here with Derek Scott to find out all about it. Mate, you've been working in rotating assemblies for a very long time now.
Yeah, we've been, like you said, in business since 1969 doing rotating assemblies and valve train parts. So we're basically covering from the top to the bottom.
First of all, tell us about the IBeam conrod down here, obviously your premier piece.
The IBeams, we went to the drawing board here about 4 or 5 months ago, and to start at the forging house, we started out with a space grade material, 4340. We have that forging sonic tested to test for any impurities before it even gets to us, and it's also magnaflux up there for any cracks or anything like that. So we start out with a good quality piece. In the machining process, we again went to the drawing board and we said, okay, what's the two factors that we're really looking for here? What does everybody need? Well, they need it to be as light as possible, and they need to be as strong as possible. So we removed the material where it really wasn't necessary, and we added some where, you know, we've seen some failures in other product before. So we have a really good quality IBeam rod. It comes with ARP 2000 bolts, and there's also a polished version available that helps the oil shed.
And it comes in a range of sizes also.
Yeah, it's available from 5.4 all the way up to 6.4 center to center lengths, and we can do your standard 2.1 for small block Chevrolet rod pins, and we can go all the way down to an inch 850 on the rod pin.
Where does that extra length come in handy?
The extra length comes in handy when you're working with the stroker kits. The extra length allows you to not remove any material off that precious counterweight, because that's there to help you use less heavy metal when you're balancing the crane. So it really comes in handy there.
Well, you can see that there's a lot of care's gone into creating this IBeam rod.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Tell us about your more economical version, which is the H-beam.
The H-beam is available now. It comes also with ARP 2000 bolts. It's a great rod, good for street or a sportsman racer, and it's worked really well.
It's still got the same Lunati quality?
Absolutely, yeah. The sizes are held to the same tolerances as far as the IDs and the center to centers.
Excellent. Thanks very much, mate, for telling us all about your conrods. Two fantastic options out there, the IBeam and the H-beam from Lunati. Check out lunatipower.com for more information.